Alright guys, welcome back. So on this 2007 Ford Explorer, I wasn't getting any air out of this vent whenever I select the climate control knob right here. So whenever I turn it, it selects the other area like the windshield and on the floor. But whenever I go here to get it to come through this vent, I'm not getting any air. So I'm going to show you what to do. So I get this pick tool from AutoZone. There's a set with a couple of them in there. What I do, I eat this piece right here with some fire. I get it really hot. And there's a plastic piece. You have to open the glove box, lower it down just like this, guys. And it's on the passenger side. So I control the here. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus, guys. It's a bit difficult to get this camera because of where it is. Alright, so right there, I'm going to shift the control knob, as I can see right there. So I bore a hole in that piece of plastic, right there, as you can see that hole. And I put a paper clip inside of that hole so it open and close. Got it right there. It's working perfectly fine. So all I need to do, just do it just like that, guys. Bore a hole in the plastic and strap it to that metal piece, and your problem will solve. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.